understanding why I was unable to grow in my portrait works till now, because I never trusted my own skills. I just left those work which I was you know under confidence. I didn't have confidence in which works. I just left them be. This is my first work where my every stroke, I have 100% confidence, and till the end, I was like, I will make this work truly, happen and all. And in middle of the work, I just understand that I have just ruined the entire work, but still I keep painting in it. I applied colors and colors, and this was oil color work. So for me, I will say this is one of my greatest portrait work that I ever did. Yeah, maybe not for you, because you might be good in your you know way of doing things and all. You might be one of the greatest portrait person who in drawing and all, but for I am not. I'm just a student with 3 years of experience in I will not say entirely 3 years, maybe less, but still, this is one of my achievements, greatest achievement that I did. And if you didn't like this work, please let me know. If you like, let me know. Tell me how I can improve more.